We have given fractional equation. First, let me copy. Our example, we have 2 over 5x is equal 23 over 2 minus 3 over 4x. First, because we have fractions here, to get rid of these fractions, we have to multiply every side of our equation by the lowest common denominator. For 5, 2 and 4 will be 20. So both sides of our equation we have to multiply times 20. So it will be 20 over 1 we can write times 2 over 5x is equal, and now we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 20, so we have 23 over 2, and I will change 20 to fraction also, like on the left side, so it will be 20 over 1, and we have minus 3 over 4x times 20 over 1. So now first we can reduce, because we have multiplication, 20 and 5 we can reduce, will be 1 and 4, and 2 with 20 will be 10 and 1, 4 with 20 will be 5 and 1. So now we have 4 multiplication of fractions. 4 times 2, we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 4 times 2 is 8 over 1 is 8. Next we have to copy. This is equal 23 times 10 is 2. 30 over 1 we don't have to write. Minus 3 times 5 is 15 over 1 is still 15, and x we copy. Next I will move negative 15 to the right side, so it will be 8x negative, so now will be positive 15x is equal to 30. 8 plus 15, so this is equal 23x. We have multiplication, so now we will divide both sides by 23 to find our unknown. So 23 we can cancel out, and we have 230 divided by 23 as 10. So we have on the left side only x is equal 10 over 1 is 10. So we have our unknown. Now we have to check if this solution is correct. It means we have to copy our original equation. 2 over 5x is equal 23 over 2 minus 3 over 4x. So now we will substitute x's by 10. So it will be 2 over 5 times 10. This is equal 23 over 2. We have to check if this is equal, minus 3 over 4 times 10. Because we have fractions, so I will change 10 to fraction. And first now, before we multiply these two fractions, we can reduce 5 and 10. So it will be 2, 1, 4 and 10, so it will be 2 and 5. The greatest common factor for 4 and 10 is 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now on the left side we have 2 times 2 is 4 over 1 is 4. To check if this is equal, we have 23 over 2 minus, and now we have 3 times 5 is 15 over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have to check if 4 is equal 23 minus 15. We have the same denominator, we have subtraction of fractions, so we copy denominator and we have to subtract numerators. So 23 minus 15 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 is equal 4. So x equals 10 is solution for our fractional equation.